If you're a homeowner in Sterling Heights, you've probably wondered whether replacing your windows is truly worth the investment. With Michigan's freezing winters, humid summers, and everything in between, your windows work hard year-round. Over time, drafts, rising energy bills, and worn-out frames can make you question whether it's time for an upgrade. The good news? For many Sterling Heights homeowners, replacement windows are not just worth it, they're a smart, long-term improvement that pays off in comfort, savings, and home value. Lower energy bills in every season. Sterling Heights weather can be unpredictable. Bitter cold winds sweep through Macomb County in the winter, while summer heat and humidity push air conditioners to the limit. Older windows, especially single-pane or poorly sealed units, allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low emissivity, low-E coatings help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means your furnace won't have to run constantly in January, and your AC won't struggle during July heat waves. Over time, those energy savings can make a noticeable difference on your monthly utility bills. Improved comfort throughout your home. Have you ever avoided sitting near a window in winter because of the chill? Or noticed certain rooms feel warmer than others in the summer? Drafty windows create uncomfortable temperature imbalances that impact your everyday living. Replacement windows help eliminate cold spots, reduce drafts, and minimize heat transfer. The result is a more comfortable home, no matter the season. You'll enjoy consistent temperatures from room to room, making your living space feel cozier in winter and refreshingly cool in summer. Increased home value and curb appeal. If you're planning to sell your Sterling Heights home in the future, new windows can be a strong selling point. Buyers appreciate upgrades that improve energy efficiency and reduce maintenance. Replacement windows give your home a fresh, updated look from both the inside and outside. Old, faded, or damaged frames can make a property appear dated. New windows instantly enhance curb appeal, whether you choose classic white vinyl, sleek black frames, or custom designs. In a competitive housing market, that modern appearance can make your home stand out and potentially increase its resale value. Reduced outside noise. Sterling Heights is a vibrant community, but traffic, neighborhood activity, and nearby road noise can sometimes disrupt your peace and quiet. Modern replacement windows offer better sound insulation thanks to advanced glass technology and tighter seals. If you live near a busy street or simply want a quieter indoor environment, upgrading your windows can significantly reduce outside noise. The difference is especially noticeable at night, helping you enjoy better sleep and a more relaxing home atmosphere. Less maintenance and greater durability. Older wood windows often require frequent painting, sealing, and repairs. Over time, frames can warp, rot, or crack, especially with Michigan's moisture and temperature swings. Replacement windows made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed to resist these issues. Today's windows require minimal maintenance. They won't peel or rot, and many tilt inward for easy cleaning. This means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Enhanced safety and security. Modern replacement windows come with improved locking systems and stronger glass options. These features provide added protection for your family and belongings. Some homeowners also choose impact-resistant or reinforced glass for extra peace of mind. Upgrading your windows not only improves comfort and efficiency but also adds another layer of security to your Sterling Heights home. Are they worth it? For most Sterling Heights homeowners, replacement windows are absolutely worth the investment. While the upfront cost may seem significant, the long-term benefits, lower energy bills, improved comfort, increased home value, reduced maintenance, and enhanced security, make them a practical and rewarding upgrade. If your windows are more than 15 to 20 years old, feel drafty, or show visible signs of wear, it may be time to consider replacement. With Michigan's demanding climate, quality windows aren't just a cosmetic upgrade, they're a smart improvement that supports your home's performance year after year. Ultimately, replacement windows offer more than just a new look. They provide lasting value, everyday comfort, and peace of mind for Sterling Heights homeowners ready to invest in their home's future.